This is going to be a very short video. I like to get straight to the point. So we're going to talk about 3 ways on how you can make a YouTube video. Number 1, you could use a standard digital camera to record yourself. Number 2, you could record videos with your phone. This is great if you like to travel or if you're constantly on the go. Number 3, you could use the screen recording software. You can record whatever you're seeing on your computer screen at home. Now this method is the one that I've used to make the video that you're currently watching. But those are 3 simple ways in which you can make a YouTube video. Now I want to know what your thoughts are. If you were to start a YouTube channel, which of these 3 methods would you prefer using? Would you prefer to record yourself with a regular camera? Would you prefer to make YouTube videos directly from your phone? Or would you prefer to use a screen recording software? So let me know what your thoughts are in the comment section below.